Section 5. Automate, build, deploy, and manage with Chef Habitat. In this video, we would understand what is Chef Habitat and what features does it provide. Chef Habitat enables modern application teams to build, deploy, and run any application in any environment. Let it be a traditional data center to any containerized microservices. Chef Habitat provides built-in support for service discovery, configuration management, supervision, monitoring and health check, rolling updates, different types of deployment strategies, and any dependency management as well. Habitat works with both new and existing application, let it be a monolithic or a microservices application. You can use Habitat to build packages that includes everything that's needed for the application to run. So it would package all the dependencies, environment variables, everything that particular application needs to run in a single package. We deploy our applications on any platform. It could be a bare metal, a virtual machine, on cloud, on Docker, on any Kubernetes environment, anywhere it would run as it is. And once the application is deployed, we can even manage the running application using Chef Habitat.